What is up guys, welcome to HT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, 2020 iPhones. We have with us I think full concrete proofs just couple of months ago, after the release of the iPhone 11. Well guys, the iPhone 12 supposedly is going to be the best iPhone ever made. It is going to be featuring a notchless design. That means Apple is going for just a bezel-less future and just there's going to be a slight chin which is already present in the current generations of iPhones. And just take into example or take into consideration that if Apple will somehow or the other manage to hide the notch, that will be the perfect iPhone for anybody. And in today's video, I'm going to be telling you the concrete proof by few resources which confirms that the iPhone 12, the iPhone 12 Pro, or just in particular, we are going to be talking about the iPhone 12 Pro is going to be getting a bezel-less display. So first things I want to say here is if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, consider subscribing for latest updates from Apple ecosystem. So first of all, I want to say it is that analyst Minchico has predicted that the iPhone 11 Pro's successor is going to be called as the iPhone 12 Pro. And not just that, that's pretty obvious naming scheme, but the iPhone 12 Pro is not going to feature a 5.8-inch display panel, but it is going to be featuring a solid 5.4-inch display panel, which is even shorter than the current generations of the iPhones. Like from iPhone 10, the iPhone XS, the iPhone 11 Pro feature a 5.8-inch display panel. And now the analyst Minchico says that the new iPhone, the Pro version, is going to be featuring a 5.4-inch display, which is going to be a little more shorter, which is going to be of the size of the iPhone 8. Okay, from iPhone 6, the design of the iPhone 8 is very familiar, and according to Minchico, it is going to be having that design. And not just that, Apple is somehow or the other going to be making such a technology that within the small bezel which is present in your iPhone, okay, the border of the iPhone, instead of the notch, the same thickness the upper portion is going to be, and not just its upper portion is going to be so thin, but there is going to be all of the high-tech facial recognition system built into the upper chin, and again that is going to be very slim. So you saw today's video's thumbnail, and that's how actually the iPhone 12 Pro is going to be looking. And guys, it's very surprising for us to see like Apple like in 2017 Apple launched the iPhone 10 with that beautiful display, and from that time now it has 3 years have passed for Apple innovating a lot, and now guys the third year, the very special year, is going to be definitely special. And guys, again in 2017 when Johnny Ive gave the speech or gave the advertise of the iPhone 10, he also mentioned that we are working on a full bezel-less iPhone, and that's what guys this iPhone may be. And Apple's, the recent patents from Apple do confirm that Apple indeed is working behind such great technology. So if there's going to be any update regarding this iPhone, I'm definitely going to be covering. So if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing for having the latest information from Apple ecosystem. So if you like today's video, in today's video I just wanted to tell you the latest update in terms of the iPhone 12 Pro, and just guys, these updates make us very curious and more excited for the next year iPhones. So if you like today's video, don't forget to give this video a like. Also just consider subscribing and also leave a comment at what are your thoughts, are you excited, and which iPhone are you using. So if you like today's video, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then,